हम लोग 5 सांसद थे, हमारी पार्टी में 5 सांसद थे। मैंने बहुत ईमानदारी, बहुत लगन से, वफादारी से मैंने एनडीए की सेवा की। तो व्यक्तिगत रूप से हमारे साथ नाइंसाफी हुई। मैं भारत सरकार के कैबिनेट मंत्री से मैं त्याग पत्र देता हूँ।
On March 19, Pashupati Kumar Paras, the chief of Rashtriya Lok Janshakti Party (RLJP), resigned from his position in the Union Cabinet following the exclusion of his party from seat allocation in the NDA coalition for Bihar. The decision came after the seat distribution was finalized in Delhi earlier on Monday. Expressing his discontent, Mr. Paras stated that his party has been unjustly treated, prompting his resignation from the Union Cabinet. Despite brief remarks during the press conference, he refrained from elaborating on his future political plans. I'll discuss my next steps with party leaders and workers, Mr. Paras asserted. Pashupati Kumar Paras currently holds the position of Food Processing Industries Minister and is the brother of the late Ram Vilas Paswan. Mr. Paras had sought to contest from the Hajipur Lok Sabha seat in Bihar, a reserved constituency where his brother Ram Vilas Paswan had won a record 8 times. However, his aspirations clashed with those of his estranged nephew Chirag Paswan, who intends to contest from Hajipur in the upcoming elections. The announcement of Mr. Paras's resignation followed the seat-sharing pact announced by the BJP-led NDA, which allocated 5 seats to the Chirag Paswan-led LJP. As the sole ally in the Union Cabinet led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Mr. Paras acknowledged the Prime Minister's leadership but expressed dissatisfaction over his treatment. He emphasized his past service to the National Democratic Alliance with honesty and loyalty but felt aggrieved by the injustice he perceived. Mr. Paras's resignation signifies a notable development within the political landscape, highlighting tensions and divisions within the NDA coalition in Bihar. This time, the BJP is set to contest more than half of Bihar's 40 Lok Sabha seats, a clear sign it now has the upper hand in its relationship with Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's Janata Dal United. The party has retained 17 seats and given the JDU 16. In 2019, the two contested 17 seats each, and the LJP, then led by Ram Vilas Paswan, contested and won the rest. The BJP also returned a 100% strike rate. The JDU lost just 1 seat. Kishanganj went to the Congress.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.